Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.
Yene Yera Magdentra Crunchy or ye acting general secretary Edema Eyetewu na tewu for any abirini nyina ne se womu susu se nsi echi ba bia Ghana Education Service womu titu omusika se womu de yama womu no in fact womu ne womu enye adwen pra yenkoi na yene Yera eni nkomo Ora Magdentra Crunchy yamwache
Yeah, Edgar.
na mpomu ti say
Onyame di madaro ma hoye, me gire se mo so mo hoye.
Oh, nyankopa adom boko ye ho ye pa.
Yo.
Good. Na yada senso sa waje bre ne ye no ba bedi nkomo fa nsem bi a modi aba betudwa ho. Ye bisa se tewufo mo haw ene sen ye fa isiachi ba bi a Ghana Education Service se wo mo ye di amamo.
Yo, pani mi da se na memba otiefo nyira so achi. Me gire se oma no sabi ni yeye mu na ye nyina ye pe. Na adwumayefo ho hyehyeye ene ho ntotoye no. Sabi ye mfiti prakope enkase ya yesi. Sabi tie bia wo se adwuma emu penimfo ene adwumayefo no etnase. Na entiase eye adwuma ansana na montu bia peso utu no watimi atu na wo hwe labor act no mu a saa neka sa wontumi ntiti odwumayeni bia ketua bra odwumayeni no empene so se saa de we de mepene so entiye na asamo yebisa ne se Ghana Education Service entiase ben no ne adwumayefo enya anti omoko saa ntiti ho yani mpanifo hyiae yani mpanifo di sa na ema ihu komo de ni omokakodu ye ne se ebeye se yebekọ apro na yama ye members no nyina ate sa nhihye ase so moti ase a no wo ye deduction na wo tete a esa senti ase aye adwumanti bibi ohaw bi ani ho every June ebesi July ending yakọ round yakọ ọmaimu nyina edi saa na ema ihu nkomo your members they say sabi 10 cedis per month o ti ato ho na ehon hyehyeye se de tie no omo ani nye ho enti ebeya won twensan kosi se won mu be susu se afede eye mayen ana se bia yenye ni se na so empenifo ayo magi se chinchiri achi ombetete na de omodka beka ho ne se wo a wo mpe no trokrata se me de mempe enti me yi me ho afirim ye members no bebre atro sa krata yi de abase me de mempe enti munyi me afirim enso safo enyina omuguso etete ano na empenifo se da bi se oya funfun a ye de wo sika be gana nka enti mpenifo your members no aboya abaso se atoya battery se yen kan kire Ghana Education Service mpenifo se science se ye no onu mu mpene so enti o munjai ya samu ani.
All right. Na ma yenji nchiremu we Teachers and Educational Workers Union aje twenty afeni tewu mo ne himfo
Tewu additional education sector no union bakwa ewu ofa education sector na ye wonat teacher for Nagrat omunyina ye teacher for na concern but tewu ye one more enchira de no education sector Ghana Education Service ka ho universities ka ho technical universities ka ho Ghana Library Board museums and monuments GIMPA and edwumayefo ahodo bebre education sector no one entra the non-teaching staff of the education sector no and about together to form tewu no.
Okay. Yo die je na yebisa sa ne se ade we akyerɛkyerɛfo na kasa wo mo kyerɛ ade no nso ɛyɛ ade a wo mo tete wo mo a ɛno so na gradfo ye no wo madi hu komo pen ɛma wo ma kyerɛ mu se wo mo so wo mo bo anwu so iti na yenhwe eyentiase amu enyanti ena mobo enyo so ana sense ye chiba ye friend insurance broni kasemu no wo mo ya ma mo no ena mobo onyo so
Sabi insurance the insurance policy biya no benefits bi wo ewu na akoye adwumayefo ade a wo ya ma adwumayefo ni nyina no e wo se wonya onum nyina pene so se o ade we de ye nyina ya pene so enti munya ma ye nyina ana se munya ma ankura na ankura bia ope no onka se amemepe enti me ho ehim sansi se ibu bia enti me nkonso na prekope mo se ye amobia so wo peo ye de ama eno de yesusu se na sabi woni sabe kwada nkete totonfiwa na edi agro na oye ne saa maybe e be ya mandam penifo a sabe o mutumi ebulu papa ene bone no munim ne ye ne de enye untumi fa saa o sei ento wo so
na wama shasi etetomo ana
almost shasi free last year June and almost fiase so omo tete ene ye tumnika e company for say there be that day yenye ni enti mo me ntu ebo ye ne SIC for no ne GS for no nyina hia ene e ka chom say betumi aye adwuma mpampa de a ene mo me nko round o my mo no nyina ne mfrefre ye members no emu adikanfo titru no mo mehia ne no mo mobo omo pene so a no yeah sense members no representation from all the places happening so nintino ebeye mere ama say be convince members no e wa se ho no ma pene so opani ene sabi yasin su to so for more than members no bi ho market pa no e wo form na wo betete bosumi bia 10 cities bosumi bia 10 cities e more than kakra enti sankai wo me ya trase ne susu ne ma hu yi ebia na ba fom kakra kra nka be yi na members no ewo grassroots no almost what class yi so ne ba yi mu bia enko so wo se tinjira ma tensity obo de se no bakura no omo ka se aban na ebe ye san di se yi ebe psika e de amajuma for me se friends aban na ebe ye de a yen koso but after do baby no see when you are the piafa na my phone so piafa and also after you come here see na nye sanity and you my phone na more 10 cities every month
na insurance policy be no mo yama mo
one mo say life insurance policy a say obi yare critical illness ye de be hwe no obi pra e wa adwuma no so a ye de be hwe no e do nema me say insurance policy be at the NKE, but say a year at my near Katia now, but to be a year no. As I saw my no pleasure say, I am a pleasure set to my Katia fire. Sana labor law no eka.
Say ya one more chance yet mono officially Ghana Education Service and communicate bibia mamo. And one more chance, yes, or more deductions, no.
Almost the notices at Kuwakra term. And yes, we have but no any enough communication and discussion. I was saying no about classy. May I agree on something? Yeah, pressure say me. Na MPSA ewo but na body atoku Kuwakra term mo who dey ewo and you may enough discussions with us.
Because a bad democrat mudi no your official communication from Ghana Education Service to a year more edumafo and ye be beto market to no. It na me say be say biem say na che say manya official communication be am free Ghana Education Service. The democrat mu na mu hu no.
Sana ke omo edit to the democrat mu say free July Bosumi July no every year no obo betete and to be a wumpe no fill it form kira o say wumpe your members no do no fill form
na beba yera mi ntwa no eno kra na mo kasa mo members na fill forms no maintain no ma bia say ade no officially kro bia ma me bo wa mane na wo de wo betete ya wo si nipa no failing forms e meka so ompe eno no na asekere ne sen
eno ni ade ba ko ayenti ase so me no wonya nye agreement maka said me no ahye contract bi nti fiase tete enti afi wo sore prako pa na aka se wo mpa I said the idea no show come by force enti wo po wo me dey show ko so pen ya na ka tra me za be mpe eno ti ase enyi yi opani.
Wow. Na enokra na mo se mo nkrofo ni bi afele form. What the forms bi?
Yanko for tese pa o mo mpa de ni nti. Wo dey say sa na mo se yenye no a ye be ye. Yakofa form no afele.
Eno no mo kokofa forms ni wen.
Omo the kokoko district education offices.
Na meba o. Forms a wo mpe no eno de afele no wo matime distribute Ediako education officers.
Emma ya almost a womb power with a feeling that San Facoja district education officer. Young call for the degree, it's a town moon painting. On the one form, no, a feeling at the district education officer. I think July no could do almost 32. Almost feel you, almost feel you, ya too, ya.
Because show. Forms are wompa kofa na failing the end or matimi distribute to Ediako education officers the whole country. Namum insurance policy a policy document no nanka womo beji no ma distribute to namo adwumayefo ne akyerɛkyerɛfo sa wo pa obekwa kofa na wa fail no de wo ma anye ne sa.
David.
Ana se na kyerɛ sɛ womo ni mu ani ne yie.
Sa anu ntini ya ni abre opani.
Wow. If I Ghana Education Service, you go so a yebo ma homa nti monfa na yembisa mo questions. You go so a yebo homa ne mo pa. Na yewra mo na mo ye leaders ededa eku kesi bi se ya no. Mako mo nan so abisa mo na e de no mo ka kire mo.
Ofeni ya tro krata hodo. Ya raise concerns different fora. In fact, make us a call regional tours in Mufa Kese no regional directors of education and almost concerns and members raising. You know what can happen. You buy your letter Akoma Director General ne Nimpeni Force. You perceive no mushia. And I know Ukwada almost free. Say Yamra and Kanopano Yamra Graniano meeting a Hong Kong. It took her she could do her. Director General, Deputy Director General, so a task conference, you or Takrade, a nice council uncle. And teachers, you could track we are getting frustrated.
It's here just say, and Krat and one more mama reply, be
David.
Na mokra mo so mayan from soccer crowd we say that na members ni bi ekokofa forms say one more fail diako. Because nipa ono ma metena say enka bibia insurance policy a yenim wo Ghana ha nyina no yenim say wo insurance bia na ye wo policy document wo yes insurance no esese ekuta wo eno de bedi adanse yes insurance no ma wo mu nie 1 2 3 4 na we dia wo ni policy document bia na ye the document begu wa sa mon kofa fele sa mon pa na mo so makwa kofa say na mo so ma form so
openi sabi obi pe uboni bi dia na so wa da ho so ko de tie no ono mo pese omo tete ade no enti omo publish some of these issues daily mo but and yet the one adwuma ni no atase akama ntiase aye adwuma now mo did notice all round says 3 July yeah ba in fact last year June no mo yeah and I sorry team now we almost had the by say 3 July would you my Ghana Education Service worker one pet not now one option for anchor some no ye better and he pet at the end well you're interested in say all the necessary discussions but as a members will say on open. You can say, Omonko, near the catcher, says I do your bonus on the bone chain, my interest in the Encaquasan. But I say, Sabi Mena, Medima, and the person that is the impression some of us.
But Mr. Mr. Mark Denstra Kranche Lukrenie na entisa kamokofa forms no. Because obi anda mo ba betena senka hwe.
Also to show our protest. It is also to show our protest.
It is a see ade na bobe.
Yes, sir. So on one ya. Yeah, between hopeful. That be now next week, National Executive Council, Ebesia, and there be thousands of Betuga, and we will take a firm decision at the National Executive Council meeting.
Na woka bibi se market ya ho sense but 10 series de ye tene ya de ayensi ya chiba ma wa sa ka 10 series de ake mojo kakra wana
openi se ukọ ase ho no wa hwe sabi ebinu market ya bosume so o medical fee o yira da ho wonchimai aketua sanitary labor marketua eno mu de ade ebinu marketua wo fom. There's some from Kibia, I did the Bosia who be NTBO, Bosume Swan, Ebe Gunin, some no Nebusiano. I can't what's the 10 cities. Yeah, like you said, insurance policy, and yet taking care of the welfare needs, and we should gather education service at Jumaya 4. So, I'm going to take young family 2 cities to cry. They will still be able to make enough savings and investment to take care of the welfare needs of the people. But 10 cities for us is on the high side.
It is a CS Mushia a year empanyumfo our Ghana Education Service one. And some ben and baby salmo and Roma ben one more car ebema motimenyanti asie e wo dia wo mo yemo.
Yeah, members no can say. In fact, a majority of our members individuals almost subscribe to some insurance package. And for now, you say my individuals no subscribe to the insurance policy. Say Bibia Ajuman point for say, oh, this is Bibia a person and my phone then we sit and look at the rates and the benefits thereof. And no sana Santiago Juma, then we can go ahead with it. It's a idea. And Santiago Juma and to Omun train.
Womun Kramukransa. Okay. Yera Magdensra, Crunchy, Acting General Secretary at the Matu. Yeda say any command yedi. Okay. Now, well, answer our back on maybe say more timelines be a walk one more dear yes, and she ye answer me jaw cry.
Oh, and America said next week, Tuesday, and Wednesday, my brother in Quada, the National Executive Council, almost free or my non for name in the this year.
Okay.
This year, we see the
all right. Yada say na musi jina ni bia, yes, you beba mo nan so, na de wo mu bia no, ye no mo de ho komo.
Me da se papa.
Utie Oha Echi Punk no. Needs FM.